Good morning, welcome to another video on this channel. It's still your boy Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. I just want to share something with you guys quickly to know how important the chart analysis I've been sharing on this channel is, and also to know you can learn from me dropping the analysis every day and explaining things to you, and also to understand the pattern, because sometimes you need to study the pattern, you need to know the footprint, you need to know some structures and all of that. So when you stick to all these chart analysis I've been dropping, it's going to help you a lot, you understand. So when you see the video daily, I'll urge you to watch it, because you know when you keep watching it daily, that's when it's going to sink in your brain, and that's when it's going to be at the back of your head, like subconsciously you're going to know that, oh, this is happening, this is what I need to do. So without wasting our time, let me go right into what I want to show you. This was old video, I think from yesterday or so. I just want to show you what's going on so it comes to
cryptocurrency trading. And
I'm going to forward it. Let me forward it to BCH.
It's having almost the same thing with Ethereum and with Bitcoin.
This is BCH, guys. Listen and watch what I said.
We can see we have the movement come down here, and we have it break. Let me put it into white, and we have the structure, a nice structure for me down here. We have 1, 2, we have a breakout. The real thing, which is from here,
I had to forward it. I don't want to waste our time.
Kind of movement coming down from here, which is after we have our structure here. Let's see, because we can do like this.
If you want to watch the video, you can go to the channel and watch it.
This is like a structure 1, 2, 3. Then it went ahead to create this structure and break this. So indirectly now we're having another new movement to be something like this. You see, something like that. That's now what we're having, because we're going to make this to be a kind of white also. And we're going to throw this to be kind of white, you see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're expecting to have our 5. So 2, 3 to give us our 1 and 2.
So now
what are we seeing right here? Now we already have our structure. We're expecting the market either to turn around or to continue the downtrend. So this is how we're going to do. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we have the market creating structure right here.
Can you hear that?
We need to bring this down. 1, 2. Then we have the breakout. This, I'm going to delete this. The turnaround, definitely we're going to talk about that in the next video. But right now, BCH is a buy from
what did you
the lower, from the minor structure inside this major structure. And this minor structure could later turn to major structure by turning this to our first structure, second structure. Then we're going to have a breakout. So it's a buy right now for BCH.
Can you hear that? I said that is a buy for BCH. Now let's go to BCH and see. Can you see how crazy it went from where I told you to get into the market? Can you see how crazy this move? Can you see the movement? Can you see the movement? See the movement? You see the movement. So that's why you need to always watch the video and make sure you follow the analysis. Don't just watch the video for the sake you want to watch the video. Watch the video for you to learn and understand where the market might possibly be heading to. Now let's go to Ethereum. I talk about ETH also. Where is ETH? We can see ETH now. Let me play the video again so you can understand where it is.
Let's take a look at Ethereum. ETH is still doing the same thing. ETH created a structure right here, which we all know. 1, 2. Then we have.
I'm gonna keep forwarding it, not to waste our time.
Up to around 1575. Then the moment start coming down, that create a red, create a green. Create a red first, then create a green, then another red to follow down. Then you need to take.
Okay, let me pause it right here. You can see I told you the market is going to pull around this point, which is 158 thereabout. Let's go to ETH first and verify that. You can see market pull exactly to that point and start consolidating for a while. Why? Because this is the mitigation of 0.618. For it to continue, it has to break the structure for continuation or pullback. So let's continue watching the video. I just had to pause that place so you understand what I am talking about.
But right now it's a buy. But the buy I'm seeing is just probably to push back to the Fibonacci, because we're having a nice trend with ETH, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a breakout, not a spike. And now we're having a pullback to to respect our 0.618 or 0.7.
You can see
86, you understand, Fibonacci. So it might be pulling back here for us to take a sell, or probably it might start a new movement from here to create we have a structure which is 1, 2, then we have our 3 already. It might continue like that to go.
Can you see that? And when you come here, what do you see? We have a 1, 2, 3, where I said it could turn around, but if it doesn't turn around, it's going to continue going up. You can see the structure right here. You can see the, how am I going to call it? You can see the squeeze. That shows it has to respect this place first. Even though it's going to continue, they now created a minor breakout for us to continue the trend. Let me play it so we can see here more.
I'll be watching out around this 1.
I told you I'll be watching out around that side.
157, between 1570 to 1580.
I specify it between 1570 to 158. If you put your this thing here, you can see this is 1570. You see 1570 right on top. You see right to 1580. You see. So we are inside where? We are inside the 1570 to 1580. You see, I told you I'll be watching it. Then we started seeing the squeeze. Then the market start moving. But let's continue before I move to BTC.
Now to see if there's going to be a turnaround. And so you might just want to get into the market to catch all the movement to that point. But if you get into the market right now, you must understand you have your stop loss below 1540. And remember, we're gonna have this guy to talk to us today, Jeremy Powell. That's the Fed. You understand? Fed Powell is gonna talk about a possible. You created a spike here. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I think that was all for Ethereum. And remember, I said even though you get into the market using my video, because I don't know where you were going to watch it, I gave you the stop loss, that the stop loss is going to be 1540. So even though you get into the market, you can see you should be massive profit if you follow the video. Now let's take a look at the BTC also to see what is going on with BTC.
Expecting a buy around this point, so you can validate 1, 2, 3. Now I can put this as our 4, even though it hasn't break out yet. But potential 4.
You see, I told you even though it has not broken out yet. You understand? Because I knew it was going to break out because of the spike. You can check the time of this recording I'm playing and go and check the time of the analysis in chat. This is not back testing. This is real video I'm playing and I'm showing you live video. And you can see BTC. What do you see here? We finally have the breakout, but that's not what I want to show you. Let's continue.
Because it didn't break out too. Had it been a breakout too, we could have said.
I'm going to forward it. If you want to enjoy the video, you can go and watch it.
ETH and we have 1, 2, 3 spike. Then we have our 4. Then this feels to be there. That's why we have this. BTC is a buy right now.
Do you hear that? I said BTC was a buy yesterday, which if you see where the market was at 26,670, that was where the market was yesterday when I was recording. I don't know when you watch it. And now when we bring it in from 26, 36, whatever, thereabouts, you can see the massive movement it has done. Can you see the importance of this analysis? That is the importance of this analysis. You need to know that this analysis is not just for you to watch, it's for you to learn and also know where the market will be going possibly, so you can even plan your trade. Even though you're looking for a signal, you're using 30-minute time frame, higher time frame, what have you, you already have the understanding where the market is going, or if there's going to be any turnaround. But let's continue before I stop
continue moving up to break wherever the market is coming from, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm expecting to break about to create a 5.
You say come down to about 29,500,
which is around
possibly going to have a quick calm down.
So I believe Bitcoin is still a buy right now. But we
can see Bitcoin is still a buy right now. But let me hear what I was about to say.
Jeremy Powell speaks shortly.
Okay, I was talking about Jeremy Powell
of the market, because investors will be waiting to hear what is causing that in the to beat.
I think that was all for the BTC. So guys, you can see the importance of this channel is not just a joke. You understand? It's just for you guys to understand. You need to always watch all these analysis when I drop it, because the one I'll drop today is different from yesterday, because it's daily analysis. If you look at the description, you're going to see it's a daily analysis, and daily analysis is that we are giving you the gems, we're giving you the scope or on how or where the market could possibly go, where you should put your stop loss, where you should look for entry, and if there is a turnaround, where you should even get around. I remember in the video I made mention that if we break any candle, which is this green candle, we know it's a sell. That's what I said in the video. Go and watch it back. But we didn't break it. Rather, the buy I said yesterday continue to move upward. So if you get into the market yesterday, see how much money you would have made. So please and please, I'm just trying to explain this to show before and after of my chart analysis, and for you to know I've always been on point when I'm giving my chart analysis, because this is someone that has spent so many years in the industry, and I'm using my experience to change the industry and to change the game. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. This is the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. It's Crypto Bean 101. It's the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. All right, guys, that's what I just want to show you. I'm still gonna drop the chart analysis for today, so stick to the channel, subscribe, like, and share the videos with other people so they can benefit as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get the video as soon as I drop it. All right, my name still remains the same. I'm Oladmeji Kazeem, and until I catch you on another wonderful chart analysis, educational content, it's peace out.